Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Princess, and today I'll be doing a review on Arm and Hammer Deodorant. So stay tuned guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, this deodorant is very fresh. So if your bath and everything, you just use it. This is what it looks like. It's white. It just have a fresh smell. So it is advanced. It says powered by baking soda, extra effect. It lasts for 24 hours, and they also say do not apply on broken and irritated skin. It's the usual thing. They always tell you that in every product. It's 24 grams, original, antiperspirant, the standard of purity. So this is all I see on here. Do I have anything? I don't have much to talk about this. All I know, it is really good because I use it and you can use it too. So if you're a person that have eye odor, like you bathe and it's like you don't bathe. Some people bathe even though they bathe well, they're still after some time, like maybe half an hour, they start to smell the you're wondering why. So you can use this because it lasts up to 24 hours. So none of your friends can say, your arms smell green. You know that is the worst thing for somebody to tell you. Even though they give you a heads up, but guys, you don't want to tell you that, please. So use one of the deodorant, man. Yeah, use. And please, guys, do not put deodorant on dirty skin. Because I'm not seeing no sense in that. If you're going to bathe and put on a deodorant, bathe and put on a deodorant. If you're going out, carry soap and rag so that if in case anything happen, you have a soap or rag, a panty or a underwear with you to change and wash up whatsoever. So wash under your arm, and just keep hydrated. Carry the roll on and yeah, don't put it on a dirty arm because you still have a smell frownsy. Well, thank you so much guys. This is the end of my video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend and a family to subscribe and share and comment. Yes, and I talk the truth and only the truth about my products or the products I do review on. So thank you again, and I hope you have a blessed day. Remember, never leave out God because God is always there watching you, and anything you do, God is watching you. So have a blessed day. Thank you.